Welcome to a SharePoint feature video, and today we're going to be looking at adding a footer to a SharePoint site, customizing the footer and also adding links. Let's go ahead and find the SharePoint site we want to customize. Once we're on our selected page, we can see that the footer is turned off by default. Let's go right ahead and turn it on. Select the cogwheel, select change the look, select footer, and turn on the visibility of the footer. Upload an image, turn on footer name visibility, and name the footer. Click on Edit Footer Navigation Links. Here you can put up a link to your company website. You can also link to documents and files which are important to your company. For this example, we're putting a link directly to our policies. Click Save. And the first thing we're going to do is open up our policies and procedures. And now we're going to open up our website. Hopefully you've enjoyed our video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next series. For more information, go on HappyWired.com to find out more. Thank you and goodbye.